If I say the mind, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind, the psychologists, they say that the total power, the mind power, constitute only 4% is your conscious mind. If the total mind is 100%, 4% is your conscious mind, 96% is your subconscious mind. So the capacity to create by your conscious mind is very limited. Whereas our every desire is conscious desire. I want. And through my conscious mind, I am saying, I am praying that I want it. But the frequency, the power is very little. And the subconscious has many, many million times more power than the conscious mind. That is why the Maharshis, they say that every human being is experiencing only 3 stages of consciousness. The conscious mind experiences 3 stages of consciousness. The awakening state, Jagrat Avastha, the sleeping state, Supt Avastha, the dreaming state, Swapna Avastha. Everybody experiences only this much. Or are you experiencing any other stage of consciousness? Tell me. And these 3 stages of consciousness is only the phenomena of your conscious mind. Only the phenomena of 4% potential of your mind. Whereas we must have access to rest of the 96%, which we call it subconscious. According to the psychologists, they say conscious and subconscious. But the Shiva Yoga says there are further the conscious, the subconscious, the superconscious, and the cosmic consciousness. But we will only talk about these 2, what the science they say. And when you qualify this, then you are ready for the higher education, the Shiva Yoga, higher levels. And this subconscious, we do not have access. And if we learn to enter into our subconscious, we have the power to create a situation in our life which we want. We have the power to create the circumstances in our life which we want. We have the power to change the existing circumstances which we don't want. We can change that. We can bring a change in our life. If we have access to the next level of consciousness, which I experience when I enter into my subconscious. And remember one thing, conscious mind is full of 3 gunas, the tamoguna, the rajoguna and satoguna. And the subconscious is a phenomena of nirguna. The subconscious is beyond happiness and sorrow. But the conscious mind is within a state of happiness and sorrow, profit and loss. But the subconscious is a nirguna. And subconscious is the creator. I'm talking about the mind. Now, I was talking about you as a totality. I'll talk about you as a consciousness. Now I'm talking about you as a mind. Your conscious mind has the 3 levels of guna, characteristics, the tamoguna, rajoguna, satoguna. The characteristic is if I gain something, I'm happy. If I lose something, I'm sad. But the subconscious, who is the creator of every incident where I feel happy and sad, that is the state of nirguna. If I achieve, I am neither happy. If I lose, I am not sad. That is the infinite power I have in my subconscious. But the subconscious is the storehouse of different experiences. The subconscious is the storehouse of every unresolved issues. The subconscious is the storehouse of negative psychic impressions.